Purpose of this video is to take a walk through the program development application screen so that we can see the features in it that have been added and to see how it's different from the way it used to be. So when you're able to see the program development screen and see all of the buttons, you can see the applications button. This shows the application screen. Anyway, the screen is a little different. It starts off now by looking at the applicant. So you select an applicant, say Alexander County for example, and then you see the information of the grant history or the application history for Alexander County. Over on the right side you've got all the fields of various information that you need to put in. One thing we've got that's new is the new preparer button. You can select a preparer from this list and add that to the form just for clicking the button. But anyway, we'll go back up here. We'll pick a job or a project. Let's pick this scattered site housing project. We'll take a look at it. One major difference in this system now is that an application is divided up into projects which have budgets, and this is a little different from the way we used to do it. In the past, all of the projects and budget information had to be shown in one line on the screen or in the table. But now we'll split it up so that an application owns projects. It'll have some projects, and it also have each project will have some budgets. And we'll illustrate this with this particular application here because it does have a couple of projects. So if you click on the scattered site housing project or application, select projects, you'll see the projects here. The housing project, the emergency repair with the amount of the money that is allocated to that. And we'll get into adding projects later on, but I just want to familiarize you with the screen right now. We'll close that and we'll go over to budget. Each one of those projects have budget items, or activities rather. See the admin, clearance, planning, rehab, etc. And then when you click on the L1, you show the activities for L1. So this is the way this system works, is that you look up top, you see the project, and when you click on the project, you see the activities that are associated with this project. Next thing we'll do is we'll go to the RDIS form. Now what this form does is it looks into the table. If there's not, or if there are not records there for the RDIS form, it will create the record. Application received letter is standard, it's just like it used to be. Funding approval, we've got that done. It's just like it used to be. The items over on the left, and you can change them if you see fit and then save them. You've got these are pretty self-explanatory if you want to move around between different applications. And you've got a new record button for new applications, a delete button to delete applications that you've set up. And let's see here. I think that's about it for introducing you to this form. I think it'll be self-explanatory once you get to using it. Next time we'll talk a little detail about adding a grant, and that's where it gets more critical. But on this form, I just wanted to introduce you to the basic idea of this form. Thanks for your time.